looking fine. So what's your name? How about you being pretty good? The Bible to say that we should be kids.
Didn't Jesus die for kids?
Michael Chang.
What's your name?
Sabrina.
Sabrina. And I was in 99 to find you.
Dang boy, you don't have a big Xbox.
360.
5.
Alright,